Hi, Chet here. You're watching County Line Farming. In today's video, we gotta do some chores and we got quite a bit of bedding to do. So what do you say? Let's get to it. So we got all the cattle moved out of here. Now we gotta come in here, scrape it, and bed it. So that's the sawdust right there, and we just gotta put the manure on that pile. Let's get to it. And we need to get this one done also today, as long as we have plenty of time, which we should. This is a skid steer we're gonna be using. It's the LS170. Look, you guys catch me napping. I tell you, just can't catch a break. So we got the whole pen bedded up. We just gotta shut this gate and this gate right here so we can let the cattle back into pen 2. You guys don't fall off now. Okay, I also got this pen all bedded up. We gotta let them guys that are over there back over here, and we'll go to the next pen. Let's get to it. Okay, we got that next pen all done. We got the feet pushed up. You wanna make sure you keep that pushed up as much as possible. You don't wanna get bad or anything like that. Next, we got the bale spears on, okay? We gotta go get another bale. We gotta get it to the little ones over here. Then we gotta go scrape the holding pens. It's supposed to get cold, like 15 degrees cold this week, so we gotta get some of this stuff done. Okay, so right here's where we got all the hay. We also have some in the other barn, but we're gonna get this bale right here, and we'll get it to the cows. Got the bale, we're heading to the barn. Okay, next thing we gotta do here, we gotta clean this holding pen out. So I'll set you guys up and we'll get it done real quick. Okay, we got it all scraped up. We got her in the shop. Blow the air filter out for sure and grease it. See what else. Okay, everybody's fed under here and they're all eating. Let's go to the next barn. All the hay and pellets are fed in pen 3. Let's head to the big barn. All done. Feed's pushed up. Pen 8's got some pellets. Looks like they got a nice place to lay. Let's go start working on the skid loader. And then we'll start greasing it. I guess we'll just start in the back since that's where you guys are. Suppose I need to move you guys now. Get you on the back of the chopper. Oh yeah, that'll work. I think you guys get the point. I'll catch up with you when we're done. Okay, we got the whole thing jacked up, and the back's jacked up by the jack. So we got it jacked up so we can take all 4 tires off, and there's a grease zerk behind here we need to grease. And then after we get all that done, we'll start putting all the filters in. Let's get to it. Okay, I took the wire brush to all the bolts here, so I got all the minnow off of them so I could get a hold of them and take them off. And I also put some blaster on to make sure I can get them off easy. Huh, and they were gonna hire me for NASCAR. I'm better than that. Oh my. Okay, we just got one more wheel to take off and we'll unbolt and then we gotta take all the wheels off. Guess we can take this one off. You know what? There we go. So like this wheel, the grease zerk is right here. And then this one we gotta clean off. Okay, I got all the tires on both sides. Now we just gotta put stuff on so the bolts come off easy next time. And put the nuts on, tighten it up, and then we'll get the filters all changed. So here's the filters we have to put in. We have 2 fuels, we have an engine, a hydraulic, and an air. So I'll put all those in. I got all the tires put back on. I got the back let down, we just gotta let the front down. Let's get to it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.